please rise. The Honorable, the Chief Justice and the Associate Justices of the Supreme Court of the Philippines.
Why should former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo be exempted from a rule enforced under her term? Supreme Court Justice Lourdes Sereno asks this as the court holds its oral arguments on November 22. Sereno says the Department of Justice, under the term of then President Arroyo, issued watch list orders against 6,000 people. The DOJ then invoked DOJ Circular No. 17 and 18 in issuing them. Arroyo is now the subject of a similar watch list order. Justice Secretary Leila de Lima placed her and her husband, lawyer Jose Miguel, in the immigration watch list after the two were implicated in the alleged poll fraud in 2007. The order prevented the two from flying to Singapore on November 15 to seek medical treatment for now Pampanga Representative Arroyo, who is suffering from bone ailment. Arroyo is now asking the court to render DOJ Circular No. 41, which consolidated previous circulars, unconstitutional. But Sereno asks, why are we making an exception now in her case? Arroyo's lawyer Anacleto Diaz says the previous issuances were mistakes that should not be repeated.
As I said, if it's a mistake, then let's correct the mistake. Let's not perpetuate the mistake.
What is the best way to correct that mistake?
Have it annulled and set aside. And maybe Congress, if for Congress to pass a law requiring that the right to travel shall be impaired only if the exigencies provided in the Constitution exist. Hindi yung ganito, masisino na lang.
But Solicitor General Jose Cadiz argues that Mrs. Arroyo could not just sing an entirely different tune now.
They cannot just turn their back now and say it's not constitutional.
De Lima lifted the watch list order against Mike Arroyo today, but the former president stays on the list. The Arroyo administration has previously used the powers of the Department of Justice to bar people from living abroad. But now, in a twist of fate, she's asking the court to nullify this authority. Is this, however, the just and fair way to correct one of her alleged mistakes? Only the Supreme Court has the answer. This is Purple Romero reporting from Manila.